Who's a good girl? It's my baby.
Welcome back, guys, to another episode of Boost Wanted. Today's video, we're going to be replacing the motor mounts on the Turbo Civic. If you have not seen my previous episode, I actually filled the driver's side motor mount with polyurethane roof sealant, and it did not hold out too well, but if you still want to check out that video, I'll leave a link down in the description. Now, the reason for my failing motor mount is the age. It's been around since 1994, so it has many miles on it. It has gone through so many burnouts and launches that it can no longer sustain the horsepower. Now with this new mount, hopefully I can get some power put down onto the road and my motor won't be jumping back and forth like it's got ADHD. So guys, sit back, relax, and enjoy. Alright, so the tools we'll need for this is the Milwaukee Ugga Dugga 14mm and 17mm socket, as well as a stubby screwdriver. Comparison between the auto to manual mount and the regular mount itself. So this one actually sits a lot closer to the transmission, and that one is extended up to reach that auto chassis mount. Take the heat shield out and take the intake off. And we also need a ratchet. Our old mount, as you can see, it has started popping out on this side again and does not provide very good support. So this is the old one and this is the new one. The new one is definitely fatter, but seems to line up perfectly. So now let's go ahead and throw this one in and junk the old one. I don't think that mount is going anywhere. I've already spotted two big issues with this old mount. First, this bolt is not all the way in, as well as I'm missing one of the 3 bolts that bolts up to the motor and the transmission. So slight change of plans, I'll actually be putting in this mount later on for the T-bracket, because it is a pain in the ass to reach without taking some extra stuff off, but that'll be for part 2, guys, so stay tuned. All right, so I got the new driver's side mount on, and I got the T-bracket mount bolted up and tightened up good as it gets. Now it is time to strap a GoPro into the engine bay. So let's get the GoPro in, take the Civic out, and possibly do a launch and definitely some hard 20 PSI pulls. So that felt a lot better than my previous pulls. The car shakes like crazy now, so I'm not even sure if I want to do the T-bracket mount, because the T-bracket mount already has polyurethane bushings in it, but the car feels a lot better. We'll be taking my friend out on a cruise in our next video, so guys, stay tuned for that. Leave a comment down below whether you think polyurethane mounts are worth it or not, and stay tuned to see more videos of this Turbo Civic. Thanks for watching as always, and stay tuned.